If you're a first-time home buyer who's looking to invest in real estate the easy way, this video is for you. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Audrey Rozier. I am a real estate agent and investor in the state of Maryland. I assist clients with the buying, selling, renting, and investing of real estate. So if you are looking to do any of that, hit me up. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. So I really love assisting first-time home buyers, and I realize that there are so many entrepreneurs out there looking to invest in real estate as first-time home buyers. So how do you go about purchasing your first home as well as simultaneously investing in real estate? House hacking! I know house hacking is nothing new, but if you are unfamiliar with the topic, let me explain. House hacking is a real estate investment strategy that involves renting out portions of your primary residence so that you can offset the cost of your mortgage expenses and other expenses. Isn't that crazy? Generally, to invest in real estate, you have to come to the table with 15 to 25%. However, because this would be your primary residence, you could literally purchase the home with a regular residential mortgage lender and put down 3% to 5%, which is so much less than 25%. Additionally, if you are a VA buyer, you don't have to come to the table with anything. You have closing costs, but you literally have to come to the table with 0% for a down payment. So for the actual house hacking strategy, there are a few different ways you can go about it. I do know people that have purchased homes, as in townhouses or single family homes, and rented out the rooms while sharing the common areas. However, if you are anything like me, you like your own space, you could purchase a 4-unit apartment building, which is still considered residential, and live in one of the apartments while renting out the other apartments. The best way to go about doing this is to make sure that the home that you purchase is in a decent area so you won't have any issues renting out to different parties. You want to be relatively close to public transportation just in case that's an issue. And additionally, you need to hire a real estate agent who knows what they're doing, who knows how to assist you with this kind of purchase. In closing, I hope this video was helpful. I wanted to put this out there because it is the beginning of 2020, and I know that a lot of you guys' resolutions are to purchase your first home. And a lot of you are also entrepreneurs who are looking to get the best bang for your buck. So I thought this would be a great video. If you are interested in learning more about this topic or another topic, or if you have questions about this video, you can leave them below. Don't hesitate to reach out to me on my social media. I will put all my handles below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I do have a goal for 2020 to upload at least once every 2 weeks. So if you have questions that you'd like me to answer in any of these videos, again, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm going to be coming up with topics that I feel like would interest people. So yeah, look forward to that. And again, thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day.